Payroll in general is about two things, right? You want to make sure you get the employee paid the full amount and on the guaranteed pay date. That's quite simple when you're making a local same currency payment. When you add in the complexity of cross-border and the kind of legacy method to make cross-border payments, that makes it very hard and complex to meet those two objectives. So with TransferMate solution, obviously we fund locally and we pay out locally. So we support our payroll partners and their underlying clients with the ability to make those payments on guaranteed dates at guaranteed amount. So it's a key part of the overall payroll proposition. The benefit for our global payroll and ERR partners is just the ability to be able to offer a fully embedded payment solution on top of their core payroll offering. And what that means is it's fully embedded within their infrastructure, within their application, and they can offer their underlying clients the ability to pay across 160 countries, locally addressable payout rails. So it navigates the cross-border correspondent banking network and allows them to process payments locally across our geographical reach. Payroll partner should trust us because the breadth of our licensing footprint means we are engaging with upwards of 100 regulators. And obviously to maintain our licensing footprint, we need to maintain a really good relationship with those regulators, make sure that the business that we are processing is fully in line with our risk appetite and our risk framework. And so security is a real key part of our proposition. And when we partner with non-regulated embedded payment partners like a payroll company, we are the licensed money movers, so we take that responsibility really important and we make sure that's a key part of our offering.